Matters need attention. Presentation of the product. Product lift display. Preparation before flight. Remove the protective cover of the gimbal. Install obstacle avoidance equipment. Unfold the drone's arms. One. The drone lay flat on the ground. Turn on the remote control. The monitor top mode is 0. Long press drone battery switch. Wait for about 30 to 40 seconds after the remote control makes a beep. Success of code to code. At this point, the mode 0 on the remote control monitor becomes mode 1. Mode 1 is optical flow mode. 2. Press the photo button for about 5 seconds. A beep sound of the remote control flashes of drone lights. Release the button, pick up the drone, and take it a meter off the ground. The horizontal plane rotates clockwise. When you hear a beep from the remote, erect the drone with the camera down. Turn a circle clockwise. When you hear a beep from the remote, geomagnetic correction is completed, with the drone light changed into a flashing every 1 second every time. 3. Press the speed key for about 5 seconds. A beep sound of the remote control, flashes of drone lights, gyroscope and gimbal are calibrated simultaneously. 4. In search of the GPS, mode 1 is for optical flow mode. At this point, the drone will automatically enter star search mode. The number of satellites has reached about 10 to complete positioning. The remote will enter the GPS function with a beep. The aircraft lamp is always bright. Mode 1 turn into mode 2. At this point, the drone is in GPS mode with the GPS feature. Drone unlocking. The left and the right joysticks of the remote control pull outward or inside at the same time. Then the lock can be unlocked. With the motor starts, the throttle can be pushed up to fly. Basic manipulation. 1 key takeout, 1 key landing. Ascending. Descending. Left turning. Right turning. Forward. Backward. Left flying. Right flying. 2 levels of speed shift. Headless mode. Gimbal adjustment. Default low mode at boot. The drone has 360-degree obstacle avoidance. When switching to high gear mode, the drone obstacle avoidance function automatically fails. At this time, the drone will not have all obstacle avoidance functions. Low power return. When the 4 lines at the bottom of the drone start to flicker, indicating that the drone is not enough power, the drone will return automatically. When the remote control signal and the drone are disconnected, the drone will automatically return. Click on the 1-button return icon. Automatic return of drone to departure point. Connect to Wi-Fi. Scan the corresponding 2D code. Download app. Enter the phone setup option. Turn on the wireless network. Search device. Connect. After successful connection, exit the setup option. Turn on the software on your phone. Photo recording function. Photo key. Short press photo. Photo recording key. Short on start recording. Press again. and photo recording. Click on the flying point icon. Zoom in on the map. Draw the flying points. Click the send icon. The drone will start at the initial point, the first point of the flight point, and then fly point by point. Click the orbit flying icon. The head of the drone will be centered in the current position of the drone. To orbit clockwise or counterclockwise, click the GPS follow icon. The drone will follow the mobile phone. Click on the soaring sky icon. The aircraft flies vertically upwards. Click on the fly away icon. The aircraft flies far away. Click on the spiral icon. The aircraft began to spiral upward. 50 times zoom. Adjustable. Unscrew the screw. Take out the wind vane. Note the corresponding A, B vane when replacing. Put in the wind vane. Rotate the tightening screw. Battery replacement and charging. When remote control power indicator is lower than 2 grays, indicates that the remote control is in low power. Emission signal weakening. At this time, you need to charge the remote control before using it again. When the drone power indication is less than 2 grays, indicates low power of the drone. At this point, the light of the drone changed from long to shiny. The drone needs to be recalled to replace the battery. Press the battery buckle. Pull the battery backward. Connect one end of the USB charging wire to the battery charging plug. The other end is connected to the 5 volts 1 to 2 amperes adapter USB interface. Battery blue light flashes from left to right when charging. Battery LED is always on after full charge. The time of battery full charge is about 150 minutes.